This is a 1975 Ford F250 truck with bleached body panels, a rusted bonnet, and an engine that possibly hasn't felt a mechanic's touch in who knows how long. And standing right next to it is Derek Beery, a pro restorer from the Vice Grip Garage. On paper, it sounds like the perfect contest. A fairly damaged movable truck going against a seasoned craftsman with over 20 years of experience in restoring automobiles. But in reality, it's quite tricky because Derek is planning to complete this makeover on a shocking budget of $800. Yes, you heard that right. This dude is trying to fix a damaged 4,000-pound truck with less than $1,000. Can he pull it off? Derek is going on a problem discovery journey to start off this restoration, but it's nothing serious. It's basically a process of assessing the issues that are wrong with the truck with an eagle eye and from close range. And since he's doing it himself, it's going to cost him exactly $0. With the inspection out of the way, it's time to dive into the real business. For Derek, this wasn't just about taking out components. It was an intentional process to identify and detach components that were bad or some others that could get damaged during the restoration. Once that was done, he spent the next 7 hours grinding the body panel. Of course, the surface of the truck became smoother afterwards, but those dents on the quarter panel were beginning to shine even brighter now, and Derek definitely wasn't a big fan of that. So he grabbed his tools and got right back to work. Despite Derek's best efforts, those stubborn dents refuse to give in. Clearly, they've been there for decades, and not even 2 sessions of hard grinding were enough to evict them. Derek, however, wasn't surprised. He knew from experience that flaws of this type needed time and plenty of intensity to heal. So he moved the truck out for fresh air, cleaned up some of the mess he left behind with a leaf blower. And then, it was time for another round of cleaning and polishing. the polishing done, it was time to drench the truck with paint and automotive clear. Man, that was some effort from Derek. He has completely transformed the exterior with a satisfying paint job that cost just $130. So far, he has breezed through the tasks while keeping his expenses within the $800 budget. But can he maintain this momentum until the end? After going all out with the paint job, Derek decided to start this phase of the restoration nice and calm. He reinstalled some shiny emblems, tightened a few screws around the left side of the truck, and fixed new light bulbs at the rear. And right after that, the restoration picked up pace. One fix led to another, and suddenly, Derek was firing off repairs and dropping in new parts back to back like a man on a mission. Up next, Derek had his first proper look at the underbody of the truck. And thankfully, he was met with some good news. The frame was surprisingly in decent shape, but several other parts were rusted and needed to be salvaged fast. On top of that, he needed to replace the gas tank, which isn't the ideal thing to do when you're on a tight budget. But Derek was convinced he could knock it off without upsetting his plan or bank account. Without wasting time, he cut off some stuff underneath the car and cleaned up the rear axle until it was sparkling like brand new. Once that was done, he reinstalled the tires. And then it was time to go full steam on the underbody. Once the tank was down, Derek got up, close, and personal with it, and he was greeted by a strong offensive smell. Not only was the tank smelling, it was completely rusted and unfit for use. Derek spent exactly $90 to buy a new one. But thankfully, he didn't have to pay a dime in installation fees because he did it all himself. Here's Derek reinstalling the front tires before turning his attention to the rear bumper. Next, Derek stormed the truck's interior, dragged out the seats, and the whole place looked like an abandoned warehouse. But before he attempts to clean it up, let's find out what the background of this truck looks like. The 1975 Ford F250 was the middle child of Ford's sixth-generation trucks. While it mirrored most of the physical features of previous models, it offered some exciting and distinctive changes. For context, its frame is bigger than the F100, but not as monstrous as the F350. In addition, the fuel tank was relocated directly under the truck bed, and the finishing around the hood and fender was much more polished. And its powerful engine options made it really reliable. Today, that reputation of reliability is definitely not as strong as it used to be, but you can be rest assured that if restored and maintained properly, this Ford F250 still has some action left in it. Back at the garage, Derek was planning a $250 makeover for the seat. Once he was done with the repairs, he teamed up with his wife, Jessica, to reinstall the seats. And honestly, it was awesome seeing her jump in to help bring this old Ford back to life. Her timely contribution was very much welcome, because it made Derek's work a lot easier and ultimately marked the end of this thrilling restoration. From a rusted relic that wouldn't even pass a roadworthiness test, this 1975 Ford F250 has become a transformed truck, brimming with confidence and ready to take to the streets again. Massive respect to Derek for delivering on his promise of bringing this truck back to life. But was he able to do it within his $800 budget? Well, the answer to that question is a resounding no. Unfortunately, he ran into too many expenses and overshot his budget by $40. But it's still a cheap restoration nonetheless. And I can tell you for free, every single penny invested was well spent. I mean, it's literally the best $840 restoration you'd find anywhere on the planet. But guess what's even better? Derek's heart. So after putting in all the hard work to restore this truck, Derek was looking to ship it off. He listed it on eBay with a few rules for prospective buyers. Sadly, some people flouted this rule and put in bids of up to $8,700. So Derek did the most unexpected thing. He canceled the auction and relisted the truck for just $2,850. That says a lot about his moral compass. I mean, most people would jump at the chance of making extra money, especially when they've invested so much time on the project. But that's not Derek. For him, a true restoration isn't just about repairing vehicles and flipping them for profits. It's about preserving automobile heritage and putting restored vehicles in the hands of people who actually need them. What's your favorite part of the restoration? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the channel for other exciting videos like this one.